Link building strategies in 2023 will likely continue to focus on creating high-quality, relevant content that attracts natural backlinks from other websites. Some specific strategies that can help improve a website's ranking in Google search results include 1. Creating in-depth, well-researched content that addresses a specific topic or problem in detail. This type of content is more likely to attract backlinks from other websites and is also more likely to be shared on social media. 2. Participating in relevant online communities, such as forums and social media groups. But your content should be informative and helpful. Responses to questions and discussions. This can help build relationships with other industry professionals and potentially lead to backlinks from other websites. Reaching out to other websites and asking for backlinks, especially if you have created content that is relevant to their audience. It is important, though, to approach this strategy with caution. Why? Because it can be seen as spammy, and if done excessively or without regard for the quality of the linking website, collaborating with the other websites and creating content together, which can result in backlinks from both websites, creating high quality, visually appealing infographics that can be shared and linked to the other websites. Do the keyword research and optimization. Identify and target relevant keywords and phrases that can help increase the visibility of a website in search results. This can be achieved through on-page optimization, such as including keywords in the website's titles and meta descriptions, as well as through off-page tactics like link building with anchor text that includes the target keywords. Mobile optimization. More and more people accessing the website on their mobile devices. It is important to ensure that the website is optimized for mobile viewing. This includes making sure the website is responsive, adjust to fit the screen size of the device it is being viewed on, as well as optimizing page speed and user experience for mobile users. Improve website speed. Websites that load quickly tend to rank higher in search results, as Google has indicated that page speed is a ranking factor. There are a number of ways to improve website speed, including optimizing images, minifying CSS and JavaScript, and using a content delivery network, CDN. User experience. Google has stated that it takes into account the overall user experience of a website when ranking it in search results. Check out the evolution of Google algorithms since 1998. And I noted and explained about different algorithms, especially the latest algorithms. And improving the user experience of a website can help improve its ranking in search results. Social media marketing, of course, whenever you write an article or create a new page or you have news about your products and services, it is better to announce them on social media. You know that many businesses know that, but not all businesses do that. So make sure that you have social media accounts and you optimize them for your business and for your website. Actually, it's not directly related to search engine optimization, building a strong presence, but definitely help drive traffic to your website and potentially lead to more backlinks, which can in turn help improve a website's ranking in search results. So every year I've been talking about how to rank a website in Google, but also it depends on Google algorithm, but link building is the most important part of search engine off-page search engine optimization and digital marketing. As a result, digital marketing without link building, your website will not have a presence online, period. Whoever says that link building, you can rank a website in Google without building backlinks is not true. They should, I think they're using black hat strategies, because there's no way to have a stable website ranking without link building. And link building should be done gradually and regularly. Otherwise, your website will drop ranking. So if you want to have an online presence in 2023, make sure that you keep up with building backlinks for your website and keep an eye on your competitors' link building patterns as well. Okay? Wish you success in 2023. Maria Johnsen signs out. Bye.